aggressive silver stacking, take dominance. You're in control. Today I want to talk about stacking silver and or gold aggressively, taking control of your finances. Now, first I got to say this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is something that I do to boost my silver and gold stack. You do what works best for you. So, how do I dominate silver and gold stacking? All right, let's jump on in. Hi, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you're doing well, and you can call me Cash if you like. So, how do I do it? I know there are many videos that talk about this, and so some of this stuff you may have heard, and some of it might be new to you. As you know, the market, it took a dip. It goes up, it comes back down. That's just what it does. And it will keep doing that. So I don't really worry. I don't really worry about it at all. When the market is high and gold and silver are too expensive, I do the usual. The usual with my budget. I do my dollar cost averaging method. I buy what's on my budget. I buy a set amount every month if possible. Sometimes I can't. But I always do save a little bit aside. I'll save $5 extra, $50 extra, even $1,000, not 1,000, $100 extra. I'll put it in my little piggy bank. And when I see an opportunity, I pounce on it. I look for the best prices and I buy. And my stack pops. Slow and steady does win the race for the most part, but I have no problem giving my stack a little boost. And that's what I do. When there is a dip, I look at the companies like Hero Bullion, Monument Metals, Golden Eagle Coins, and I try to buy the popular silver bars, rounds, and coins from these companies, not just because they have low prices. And I like to get them because, like with Hero Bullion, they only require $149 for free shipping. Golden Eagle, only $99. So I add that to my equation, and that way I don't have to spend $200, $300, whatever the case may be. Now, I do want to say when you're stacking aggressively like this, make sure that everything that needs to be paid is paid. All of your debts are paid off. This is all the extra money you've saved up, and now you can use it to buy real money. So, yeah, I skip the fear of missing out. I don't get into any of that stuff. Do I sometimes? Yeah, I'm human, just like anyone else. I just look for that dip and then I buy extra. Like I said, I do buy all the time on my budget. I dollar cost average with a little sprinkle of dip buying, if you want to call it that. Do I time the market? Because I usually get asked that. No, I'm not timing the market, not even close. Sometimes I miss it by several dollars, 20, 30, even $50, but it doesn't matter to me. As long as I bought it on sale, I bought it cheaper than the last one that I bought. That's the way I look at it. And you know what? When I buy them and those coins start coming in the mail, it's like finding a shipwreck full of treasure. Now, one other trick that I do is when the market is high, I have sold some stuff that I really wanted to get rid of, stuff I really didn't like. Let's say maybe some gold backs or some odd 1 gram stuff that I bought that I picked up on sale or I had to buy to meet the minimum shipping because sometimes I buy extras like that. Now, coins or rounds that I really didn't want, those are the ones that I sell. I sell those for new silver and gold that I actually want. I know it sounds a little crazy, but so far it's been working for me. And like I said, I sell those when the market pops and I buy when it drops. Little rhyme there. And remember, this is extra money, not money in my budget, not money in my dollar cost averaging scheme that I use. It's just purely extra money. I know that everyone can't do this. This is just one other strategy that I use. I do it with many things that I invest in, not just silver or gold, and it has worked wonders for me. I'm the guy who will pick up a penny off the floor at the grocery store. I'm the guy who drives across the street to save a penny on a gallon of gas. I'm the guy who only has one light on at his house at a time. I love to save money. If I save a penny a day, that's $3.65 extra I have at the end of the year. Is it ridiculous? Probably, but it works for me. And I use all the other little perks. I use the credit card rewards that they give me. When they send me discount codes, I use those. Any little bit that I can use, for both my stack and my investments, I use it. Extra money I get from savings accounts, interest. I just use all that stuff. Just remember that bullion is bullion. We're not buying the fancy designs when we're buying bullion. We're not buying the artwork. We're not buying the numismatic value of any of these coins. We're buying it for what it is, bullion, a savings and an insurance, and real money. Don't get caught up in the marketing. You can have two stacks, and I do. If you watch my channel, you know that. I have my collectible stuff and I have my weight stuff. I enjoy both of them, and they grow because of the decisions that I make. Gold and silver are a part of my total financial portfolio. I do believe that you should not put all of your eggs in one basket. And I do believe that you should always do what's best for you in your specific situation. Never compare yourself to someone else. We all have our own thing going on. So when you're doing that aggressive stacking, when you're dominating, remember it's your own. You're not competing against anyone else, just yourself. But that's a wonderful thing. It works for me and I love it. I hope that you enjoyed these tips and tricks on how to stack aggressively, how to dominate in stacking silver and gold. Please let me know in the comments. Are you an aggressive stacker? What are some of the stacking strategies that you have? I do want to thank you for watching Cash and Coins. And as I always say, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you on the next video.